Hello and welcome to the West Coast. I'm Eszter, I work for Forestry and Land Scotland as an ecologist, and today my colleague has been more sensible than me and he has chosen to work in the office, so I will have to entertain you as a one-man band. Enjoy! My typical day at work looks like this. I survey the areas for the Rainforest project to see how many invasive species are in there, like rhododendron. And after that I have to work in the office to actually draw them on the map and make a plan. And when the work starts, I'm out here to check that everything is going okay, like today, on a lovely sunny day. The favorite part of my job is site visits, as I'm lucky enough to work at the most beautiful places of Scotland. And the worst part is not the rain, it's the midges. They eat you alive. And about my qualifications, I'm an ecologist with masters, and my favorite subjects at school were biology and physics, but I also enjoyed history and literature as well. And it does make me happy to work in conservation and do something for our future every day. I think it's very rewarding.